Okay, so here's my newest tractor. This is a 1961 Cub Cadet original. And as you can see right off from the start, it's a pretty decently original tractor. No pun intended. Other than, of course, that nice tall pipe and the oversized rear tires. Already been fully rebuilt, so I don't need to worry about the engine. Other than the throttle, it's got a whole bunch of throttle issues that need to work out. But got the hood ornament. Don't have the IH symbol for the grill. I'll need to find one of those. It's amazing, this tractor is all driven by this little belt right here. That goes down to the clutch, and that's what drives the thing, which is quite something. This is a K161S Kohler, 7 horsepower. The tractor has a couple of farmer modifications. It was used on a farm. The throttle is outside of where it's supposed to be. If you look, it's supposed to be in the slot here, but it's not. And then the ignition switch is now a turn knob for whatever reason. But it works. So, I guess I can fire it up. Don't know how well I can drive it, because, like I said, it's having a bit of an issue with certain things. Throttle. Let's see here. Oh, apparently my father left it in gear. As you can see, it fires right up. See if it'll drive. Oh yeah. I don't want to mess with the throttle very much on it, because it has the tendency to overspeed. And that ain't too good for the engine. Well, there you have it. It sounds wild with that muffler. I like it though. It's a nice little machine. I'm going to have a lot of fun with this. And, oh, I do have a deck. Here's the deck over next to the 110 deck. It's seen some better days. It's a timed deck. It's got a timing belt on it. You can't really see right now. But the blades will crash together if it's not timed correctly. So well, I guess that's that. If you like this tractor and you want to see more about it or my other tractors, consider subscribing to the channel. If you like these machines in particular, consider leaving a like.